Jonah, go to Nineveh, cry out against it, for their wickedness has come before me.
Not Nineveh. They don't deserve mercy. We're going to die! Everyone pray to your God! How can you sleep? Pray to your God. Maybe he will save us.
Throw me into the sea, and the storm will stop.